The Coach Bowery Satchel Crossbody Bag is a compact and stylish bag perfect for everyday use. Handbag features a minimalist design with a New York attitude, making it a versatile choice for both day and night outings. Description: Coach Bowery Satchel Bag. Material: Glovetanned leather. Color: available in various colors including brass or chalk, black and red. Features: elongated zipper for easy access, inside snap pocket for organizing small items, detachable crossbody strap for versatile carrying options, top handles for convenient hand carry. Review: the Coach Bowery Satchel Bag has received positive reviews from customers. Many praise its compact size, stylish design, and high-quality leather. The bag is also praised for its versatility, as it can be worn as a crossbody bag or carried by the top handles. The price of the Coach Crossbody Bag varies depending on the retailer and specific color. It typically ranges from $295 to $360. Overall, the Coach Bowery Satchel Crossbody Bag is a great option for those looking for a stylish and functional bag. It is well made, versatile, and perfect for everyday use. However, some customers have noted that the bag may be too small for those who need to carry a lot of items.
Stunning little bag, comes with a crossbody and just have it as like a handheld handbag. I'm not worried about the size because they have this in a larger size as well. It comes with like these little stands so you can just sit her beautifully. She's not going to get dirty on the bottom. It has the most incredible like keyring holder so you can attach your keys. I then got my name initials embossed on this. I realised how spacious this was because sometimes little handbags like this, they just don't have enough space. My iPhone 14 Pro Max, the case is stunning. She's from Case Girls. I will tag them if they have an Instagram. If not, Instagram, they have the most incredible cases. Is my phone against the bag. Like, she slots in perfectly with loads of room. This bag is everything more I need. Coach, you will forever have my heart. I feel like this is like the designer brand for me. I feel like they're reasonably priced for the quality. I love her. I love her.